Now student, here you will see the large distance are also measured in light years. Okay, the large distance, what are the large distance? This is the example of one. The distance between Earth and Sun and the planetary bodies. Okay, so this is a definition. The large distance are also measured in light years, and 1 light year is about this much kilometer. Okay, so the distance is covered by light in 1 year. Okay, now we have to convert this standard form to the scientific notation. Okay, now we have to observe in the statement type question that what is given to us, and in this type of question we have one form is to be given and other form we have to make. So the standard form is given and we have to convert this into the scientific notation. So first of all I will write the statement 9460 000 000 and 000 kilometer. Here you will count how many zeros are there. 1 3 3 6 3 9 and 1 10. So 10 zeros are there. You can write it like this, and after that we can see if I put my finger on the leftmost digit, then how many digits are left? 2 digits. So I will write it like this and add 2 to this power. Okay, 10 plus 2, that is 12. Otherwise you can opt the detailed method we have done earlier. Now in this question the heading is written standard form. Distance between Sun and Earth is this. Okay, now this is which form? This is a scientific notation. Okay, and we have to make it to the standard form. So first of all 1.52 can be written as 152 by 100. As we convert decimal to the 1, and after decimal how many digit? As many 0 we will write in the denominator. And this is 10 to power 8. It means I have to write 80 here in the multiplication. Now you will see I can cancel these 2 0 with these 2 0. Now 1 is left with 152, and how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Also the unit should have to be written. Now 152 and 60 with it. So this is the required standard form. Now write in standard form. All the scientific notation are being given and we have to convert into the standard form. Now 6 multiply 10 to power 5. So how many 0 I will write? 5 0. 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer is 1 2 3 4 5. This is my answer. Now 7.4. 7.4, what is the meaning of 7.4? This is 74 by 10. And what is the meaning of this? That is we have to write 3 zeros. So cancel 0 with 0. Then 74 multiply 100. So this is 7400. This is the answer. Now I will use shortcut method in this one. Now this is 8.9 multiply 10 to 7. Now after decimal how many digits are there? 1 digit are there. Okay, so if here after decimal how many digits were there? Only 1. Therefore you subtract 1 from 3, then the number of 0 is 2. Similarly, how many digits are there? 1 digit is there, therefore you will subtract 1 from this power, then your answer will be 10 to power 6. So you can write 10 to 6, it means 6 zeros will there. 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the required standard form. So now the question of the diameter of Saturn's largest ring is about 4.8 multiply 10 to power 5 kilometer. So what is this form? this form is scientific notation and we have to convert this into standard form. So 4.8 can be written as like this and this can be written as like this. So I will cancel 1 0 with this. 48 multiply 10,000. So this is 48 and 40 with it. The unit is kilometer. Now the shortcut way, now it was written 4.8 multiply 10 to power 5 kilometer. Now after decimal how many digits are there? One digit is there. Therefore you will subtract 1 from this power. So it will become 4 and it become 48. So you will write 481234 kilometer. Both methods are correct. You can opt as per your convenience. Thank you. Now I will show you all the questions we have solved regarding this topic. Thank you.